Hey there, I'm Chad Welch, Executive Chef of Culinary Operations at Atria. Today we're going to help you start the new year with the recipe Super Packed with Superfoods. We're going to be making coffee roasted beets with fennel apple puree, grapefruit, and goat cheese. This dish is very colorful, flavorful, and great to share with friends. Let's get started. Thanks for stopping by the Atria Test Kitchen. It was great to have you. Be sure to try this delicious recipe with your friends. And for more videos, check out our Facebook page.